Is the crypto bull run crashing? As you guys know, Bitcoin has pulled back from $123,000 all the way back to 111K. And now people are saying that Bitcoin is potentially not only over with its bull market, but alt season is never going to end. Now in this video, I'm going to explain 3 key reasons why this bull run is not over and Bitcoin is just getting started. And in case if you are wondering, I am currently in Lake Como, Italy, on a last-minute trip, not only to Italy and Europe, but we're going to be going to 4 different countries, getting you guys the latest alpha on all your cryptocurrency news. I'm out here for 3 reasons. Number 1 is to meet with people I cannot tell you just yet, to collaborate and look to expand not only crypto in a foreign market, but back in the United States, which we'll be talking about shortly. But number 2 is, of course, meeting with new potential investors and partners with FOMO. We'll be flying to Lisbon, Dubai, and Riyadh, which has the EWC to expand esports as we want to expand FOMO onto Xbox and all your consoles. And then number 3 is, of course, just to give you guys really good content here on Discover Crypto. So what do you currently need to know about the current state of the crypto market? Well, number 1 is going to be primarily that these markets are moving based on a lot of FUD. You can see here Polymarket says, breaking, China has declared cryptocurrency trading, mining, and related services to be illegal. I mean, this is straight up just trending on X. And that story is in fact not true whatsoever. That is from 2021. Donald Trump causing half the world on X to panic and hyperventilate as he threatened to, of course, have nuclear war with Russia. Let me know in the comments if you actually think we're going to see a nuclear war with Russia anytime soon. The real reason why everything is pulling back so dramatically is going to be all the tariffs that just went through on August 1st. So what I'm watching out for is going to be not only Bitcoin dominance right here, which is by far the most important chart in crypto right now. It's not only predicted the giant pullback we just had, but it indicates every single time altcoins are about to bleed against Bitcoin. This is the massive trend line. We've been trending on this trend line for now well over 2 years, if not over a year and a half. And this just indicates that we're not in alt season yet. We're not gonna see an alt season until we break out of this trend. And Bitcoin, coming to that bottom of the line, as you can see, bounced off of it perfectly and saw a huge pullback on Bitcoin from $123,000 to $111,000, but altcoins bleeding even more against it. Next is gonna be simply the fact that retail is not in this market yet. This is an institutional grade bull run. Retail's broke. They have no money. So they can't even afford to buy the dip here. But if you're looking for a blow off top, what we just saw was definitely not yet. We are getting massive injection of liquidity into the markets. The Federal Reserve is looking to cut interest rates. We're getting deregulation across all sectors. Hell, the White House just got a report on crypto, and we're expecting huge macro positive advancements in the industry moving over the next 2 years. So for me, it's the people out there saying that this market's over. We have topped. This is it. Well, first and foremost, most of those same people are just in altcoins. They're not even in Bitcoin. So we haven't even had a true altcoin season for them to say we've had a blow off top or that this market is essentially over, because that really hasn't even begun yet. Bitcoin, on the other hand, from an institutional perspective, with all of the ETFs, with all the advancements, the SEC now opening up, Jerome Powell as well, the Federal Reserve saying banks could just be free with crypto custody and transactions now. This is just getting started. Tokenization is the future. Stable coins are coming. And all of these reports, all of these new advancements are going to push these prices higher moving into 2026. So personally, if you were in the Discord, you would know this. I'm going to be trading the volatility in this market. But this is a time to DCA in for the first time. If you weren't lucky enough to get in under 80K, if you weren't lucky enough to get under 60K, if you weren't lucky enough to get under 30K, we have done this time and time again. You want to buy when there's blood in the streets. Even if that blood is yours, you want to buy when prices are low and you want to sell when prices are high. And, maybe we go back down to 50K. Maybe we go back down to 80K one day. But look at the Bitcoin futures gap. We just bounced off previous highs, hopefully turning into support, which is incredibly bullish. Worst case scenario, maybe you do get down to 100,000. 91K has a huge futures gap. But if you want to play that market, you're going to miss out on all the historical data, which now shows that we're overextended to the downside. And now at least, even if prices go lower, they're a good time to DCA compared to a week ago, compared to 3 weeks ago, compared to probably even a month ago. When Bitcoin was at $120,000, all coins were starting to either hit all-time highs or pump 20, 30, 100, 200, 300, 400%, and everybody was foaming into the market. Do not do what this meme is. Do not be this person. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful.